item being raffled today is a limited edition and signed and numbered by the artist, Stephen Louis, donated by our merchandiser, Oregon Screen Impressions, a hand-screen painting,
Walking north.
printed,
503.
piece of art. So again, it's a limited edition, signed and numbered by the artist Stephen Louis. A hand-screen printed item. The last raffle item of the day, donated by Oregon Screen Impressions. The last four digits of the ticket are 0, 3, 5. Come to the command stand to retrieve. Come to the command stand. Last four digits of your raffle ticket are 0, 3, 6, 5. Who's gonna win this heat? It looks like lane 3 is well ahead by more than a boat length. The Shuta High School team from Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Those ladies are paddling year-round, and they're here all the way from Taiwan. It looks like the Wilson Tundra team in lane 2 is in second place, and the St. Mary's Academy 2 looks like they're in third place. Mary's Academy 1 in fourth place in lane 4, but look at that Shuta High School team from Taiwan.